This unboxing ain't gonna be nothing like my monitor unboxing. This thing is way heavier, way more expensive, and way bigger. Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I'm pretty hyped for today, man. So look at this. We got the Samsung Neo QLED QN95B. It's a 55-inch. This is their top-of-the-line Neo QLED TV. If you don't know what a Neo QLED TV is, it's basically mini LEDs. If you saw mini LED, they're actually really dope. You gotta see it in person. The first time I saw a mini LED TV was at CES earlier this year. That was the first time I was at CES, and man, that thing was jumping. It wasn't a Samsung though, but it was a TCL. But now I want to go and check this thing out. And here's the crazy part about this. So this isn't the first time that I actually unboxed this. I actually unboxed this off camera. And the first time I unboxed this, it came cracked. So UPS, I don't know what y'all got going on, but it better not be cracked this time. So let's go and check out this $2,500 TV, because yes, that's how much this thing costs. It ain't cheap. Y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. All right, so I'm trying to figure out how in the world I'm supposed to actually unbox this thing, because I can't do it from my pool table. You can't even get the camera in the view. What I think I'm gonna go ahead and do is unbox it from my living room. But I wanna go and talk about this real quick. So like I said, I got this from the Samsung website and it cost me $2,500. It was just on sale for like $500 off not that long ago, but I missed the sale. Stupid. Actually, no, I didn't miss a sale. I got it on sale, but I missed it because, well, it came cracked and they wouldn't honor the sale again. Stupid. My bad, it's an ambulance or something going by. Anyway, like I said, it's a 55-inch TV. It's their top-of-the-line Neo QLED TV for a 4K TV, because this is 4K. I didn't get the 8K one. In order to get an 8K TV, I would have to get like at least a 65-inch, I think it was, and my room just don't got room for that. But I think this thing's gonna be really dope because I got an Xbox Series X and I got a PS5, I got a Nintendo Switch, I got all that stuff. And this TV even comes with a One Connect box, so if you don't know what that is, it's basically a box that you put in your entertainment area. You put it in your center console, so you only have one cord coming from your TV. It's really nice. So now at this point, let's just go ahead and unbox this thing. I'm gonna go to my living room and I'll show you what's up. All right, so we just made it to the living room and this is what the box is gonna look like. So it looks like there's already some damage on there. I hope that don't really mean nothing. But let's look around the box real quick. So we got the Samsung logo. On the right side, we have Neo QLED QN95B, 55-inch and 138 centimeters. We got Netflix, YouTube, Apple TV. Yeah, we ain't really need to hear all that. We already know this with the Samsung Smart TV. On the left and the right side at the bottom, we don't really got nothing on here. On the left side, there's nothing really too important, but I'm not gonna show this side because, well, I got my address on here and I'm not trying to expose myself. On the right side, we got Samsung Neo QLED QN95B. So basically the same exact thing, and we got some info on how to go ahead and get this box open. And on the back, we got the same exact thing as the front. So with these Samsung TV boxes, they're really simple for how much they cost. But let's go and get this thing out the box. So it turns out I had it facing the wrong way, but we got it all here set up. So let's look around here real quick. We got a quick setup guide. So you know what we do with that. We throw it to the side because we don't need it. And here we have some cables for our One Connect box. We got a remote. We got all that stuff right there that we're gonna need for the TV. Also, if you're gonna be doing this, I'd recommend having somebody help you because this thing is kind of fragile from at least my experience with it coming cracked. But I will have somebody help me lift up the TV to the wall. Anyway, looking in the rest of the box, as you can see here, we have our stand. So it's gonna be a metal stand. It's pretty heavy. We also have in here, I believe, another part to our stand. And then we got the One Connect box itself right in the middle, and I believe that's everything inside the box. The first thing I want to do is, and can you blame me, but check for cracks, and it looks like we're good on here. So let's go, we're crack free. Now let's go and get everything open from inside the box first. And we're gonna start off with this. So let's go ahead and check out where the remote and everything is. So let's go ahead and peel that off. And as you can see right here, let's go and get this open. All right, so the first thing we got, as you can see here, we have our power cable, which is gonna plug into the One Connect box. Next up, we got a One Connect box cable. So this is gonna be if you're gonna put your One Connect box on the back of your TV, so it doesn't have to be that short. We also got our Samsung One remote with the solar panel on the back, so you can just go ahead and charge it based off of your light. We got the black one, as you can see, and they actually have a white one. I just found this out, but it comes with the frame TVs. So I don't know why Samsung give us these black remotes so it can just blend in with the bed, but whatever. But yeah, as you can see, here's a voice remote. We got Netflix, Samsung TV Plus, all those buttons on there. You can fight me on this all you want, but this remote right here is better. It just needs a voice button on it. And yes, if you're wondering, this will work with your QN95B. And then we got our longer One Connect cable here, as you can see. So that's if you're gonna go ahead and hang it down from your TV, which I'm gonna be doing. And I just don't know why they chose this color though. They could have just went with black. It would have made more sense, but whatever. And then we got the usual books and stuff, but you know we do with that. We throw it to the side as always. Next up, let's go and get this open real quick. And as you can see here, we have part of our stand. We also got a cover here for our One Connect box. We got the One Connect itself. So as you can see here, just looking around, it's a plastic box. And if you look on the back, we actually have 4 HDMI ports. And they're all HDMI 2.1 one, so I'm hyped about that. We have a USB-C, we have a one connect port, we have two USBs. We also got X-Link, cable, optical, and then we got Ethernet. And then on the right, we got our power. We also got another part for our stand. And last up, we got the main part of our stand, the stand itself in this metal glory. This is some pretty high quality stuff right there. So for a $2,500 TV, I would like to have this. You can also see that we got some rubber feet on the bottom, so you're not gonna scratch up your table. Now let's go and look at the back of the TV itself. So if you look right here, this is actually some pretty premium high quality stuff. But looking on the back of the TV, we have our one connect port, we have our USB-C port, we have 6 speakers on the back, which I believe serves as subs, so they're gonna sound pretty dope from what I heard online. And then we got our mounting bracket, so pretty standard stuff. So at this point, I'm gonna go and get this thing on the wall, and I'll go ahead and update y'all when it's up. All right, we got the TV all plugged up. It got the Samsung Neo QLED screen. There we go. Woo! There we go, Samsung.
Options. How would you like to get started? Choose one.
I'm one of these people. I'm clicking on remote control. Now let me go ahead and get through this setup and I'll get back to y'all again. All right, so we got the TV all set up and everything, as you can see. So let me go home real quick, and just gotta say, I've been using this thing for maybe about a half hour now, and I'm loving this TV so far. Now again, it is $2,500, so I better enjoy it. But I gotta say, like, the picture quality and everything, I'm really impressed with it. One thing I'm not impressed with so far, and it might just be a defect, but this remote. So I don't know what's going on with this remote, but I'm having a bunch of issues with it. So basically with this remote, I'm having issues where if I go ahead and turn up the volume, sometimes the volume it gets stuck, or if I'm scrolling through the menus it gets stuck. Just something like that. I don't know what's going on with this remote, but again, I think it's defective. Because I didn't have this issue with my last Samsung QLED TV, so I don't know why it will be an issue now. I might have to get this thing replaced by Samsung, we'll see, but for the time being, I'm actually using this remote, you know, the actual better one. So yeah, I had a QN95B, and I'm just scrolling through this menu right here. This thing definitely seems a lot smoother than the QN85B. That was a main concern for me. The QN85B was smooth for the most part, but at the same time, it definitely still has some lag to it, and I'm just using this. There's zero lag at all. I only been using this for a half hour, so it could become a future problem, but we'll see. Now I will say, when I first started using the TV, there was so much lag, it was crazy. I don't know what was going on with this thing, but it was just lagging all over the place, and then just all of a sudden it just smoothed itself out. I assume it was just restoring my data, updating apps and things like that, but after it got all that situated, it's all good now. Now the big question to me is, how do those speakers sound? Let's go and check it out real quick on Spotify. And look, I'm having this issue right now. Look at the remote. It's not working at all. It's just giving me a bunch of issues. But if I go ahead and get the regular remote, as you can see, I'm having zero issues with this, so it's got to be the remote. Let's go and play some music. Put in your headphones for the best experience. Okay, I mean, it's decent. Let me go and pause this real quick.
I've just been hiding for too long. As long as everyone thinks I'm an irritation, there's a good chance they'll miss what I'm really doing. What are you really doing? This is what revolution looks like. I'm tired of losing.
Honestly, for what the TV looked like, I expected a lot more bass, but it's still a decent amount of bass, and the sound quality is pretty good for a TV. Especially because, let's look at how slim this TV is. Mad slim. Taking a look at the bezel, there basically is none. And this Samsung TV is one of the TVs with a more powerful processor, which means we get the added graphics like the blur effect and animations and things like that. Now I know a lot of y'all wondering about this, so let me go and show y'all. So this is gonna be my Xbox Series X. You can see the resolutions at 4K UHD at 120 Hz. And if I go to 4K TV details, you can see that basically everything is checked except for Dolby Vision. So this TV doesn't have Dolby Vision. It does have HDR10 though, so that kind of makes up for Dolby Vision, but I don't really think any Samsung TVs these days have Dolby Vision. Now, if you have this TV and you're wondering why you can't get to these settings, you have to turn on game mode, I found out. So turn on game mode and then you'll be able to get 120 Hz at 4K. So I'm gonna go and get up out of here. Hopefully I enjoyed this, and I had to give this some more time to figure out if this thing's really worth the cost because it's really expensive. So I can't really just make this up in one video. I'll try to do a review on this and I'll let y'all know. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Tech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. So yeah, that's gonna be the Samsung QN95B, the TV that costs the same price as a used car. This is crazy. But if you take your gaming and movies seriously, then you might consider this, but again, I'll have to let y'all know how I feel about this. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one then. Peace out.